Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing power and exposing the internals. First, take out the battery pack and the small warranty sticker screw. Next, use a T8 and T6 Torx to remove the 4 back screws, keep them organized. Once done, pry the shell open carefully with a spudger. There are ribbon cables and clips inside. You want to avoid tearing the flex cables. If a cable resists, stop, recheck screw locations, and gently lift the plastic clips to free the halves. Now you access the joystick assembly. You need to unplug the battery connector and tilt the motherboard to reveal the thumbstick board. Proceed slowly to avoid stressing connectors. Once visible, inspect whether your joystick is soldered or held by clips. If soldered, apply flux and heat each pad sequentially while lifting the module. If clipped, depress retention tabs and lift straight up. Make sure to clean pads with isopropyl alcohol and a braid. This ensures a reliable joint when you install the new part. Finish by installing the replacement joystick. Position it correctly, then solder each pad with minimal heat or press it into clips until it seats. Once secure, reassemble the controller halves, replace screws, and reattach the battery. Power on your Xbox or controller app and run a calibration or dead zone check. Move the stick through full ranges to confirm smooth travel. If you see drift or intermittent input, reopen and inspect solder joints and flex cables. Reflow any cold joints, and if problems persist, try a known good joystick to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.